Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hemingway Editor workflow for faster editing drafts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Hemingway Editor and create a new document. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Notice the text box on the left where you'll input your draft. Look at the color coding on the right side. Each color represents a different type of error or suggestion. For instance, adverbs are highlighted in blue. Using the readability score at the bottom is essential. Aim for a score of grade 6 to 8 for clearer writing. Start by pasting your draft into the text box. Review the highlighted sentences to identify potential issues. Focus on simplifying complex sentences first. Look for instances of passive voice, marked in yellow. Rewrite those sentences to make them more active. Shift your attention to the adverbs highlighted in blue. Consider removing or replacing them for stronger verbs. Next, check for hard-to-read sentences in red. Break them into shorter, clearer phrases. Use the suggestions provided to enhance clarity and conciseness. As you edit, refer back to your original draft for context. Make sure your revisions still convey your intended message. Once you finish editing, review your work for overall flow. Finally, save your document or export it in your preferred format. Now you're ready to produce clear, polished drafts efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.